Today we'll be discussing the 5 best foods to eat when you have diabetes. Living with diabetes can be overwhelming and sometimes frustrating, but figuring out the best foods to eat doesn't have to be tough. In fact, it can be quite simple. The key thing to keep in mind is that managing your blood sugar levels should be your main priority. This means avoiding foods that cause your blood sugar to spike and opting for foods that help stabilize it instead. But that's not all. It's also important to eat foods that help prevent diabetes complications like heart disease. That's right, your diet can have a major role in preventing and managing diabetes. So without further ado, let's dive into the 5 best foods for people living with diabetes, whether you have type 1 or type 2. These foods not only help regulate blood sugar levels, but also provide a wealth of other health benefits. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. First up, we have chia seeds. If you're looking for a food that's both nutrient-dense and low in digestible carbs, then chia seeds are definitely worth considering. Not only are they packed with essential nutrients, but they also offer a variety of health benefits that make them a great addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. One of the most impressive things about chia seeds is their high fiber content. In fact, 11 of the 12 grams of carbs in a 28-gram, 1-ounce serving of seeds are fiber, which doesn't raise blood sugar levels. This is great news for those looking to maintain steady blood sugar levels, as the viscous fiber in chia seeds can help slow down the rate at which food is absorbed by the gut. But that's not all. Chia seeds have also been shown to help with weight management. This is because fiber helps to reduce hunger and makes you feel full, which can help you maintain a healthy weight. In addition, a recent study found that eating chia seeds can help support weight loss and maintain good glycemic control in people with type 2 diabetes. As if that wasn't enough, chia seeds have also been linked to a number of other health benefits. For example, they've been shown to help reduce blood pressure and inflammatory markers, both of which are important for overall health and well-being. So, if you're looking for a simple way to improve your diet and manage your diabetes, chia seeds are definitely worth adding to your routine. Whether you sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal or mix them into a smoothie, you're sure to reap the benefits of these tiny yet powerful seeds. Next, we have fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, herring, anchovies, and mackerel are all amazing sources of the omega-3 fatty acids DHA and EPA, which offer incredible benefits for heart health. And let's face it, when you're dealing with diabetes, anything that helps keep your heart healthy is a win-win. Research has shown that getting enough of these healthy fats on a regular basis can help protect the cells lining your blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and improve the way your arteries function. This is especially important for people with diabetes, who are at an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. But the benefits of fatty fish don't stop there. Studies have also found that eating fatty fish regularly can help regulate blood sugar levels. For example, a study involving 68 adults with overweight or obesity found that participants who consumed fatty fish had significantly better post-meal blood sugar levels than those who ate lean fish. And as if all that wasn't enough, fatty fish is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which can help you feel full and keep your blood sugar levels stable. So if you're looking for a simple and delicious way to boost your heart health and manage your diabetes, be sure to add fatty fish to your diet. Whether you grill it, bake it, or serve it up raw in a delicious sushi roll, your heart and your taste buds will thank you. Up next, avocados. With less than 1 gram of sugar and few carbs, these green superstars are packed with healthy fats and fiber, making them a nutritious and delicious addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. But avocados aren't just a tasty treat. They're also associated with improved overall diet quality, lower body weight, and reduced body mass index. And when you're living with diabetes, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for keeping your condition under control. In fact, a 2019 study in mice found that avocados contain a special fat molecule called avocatin B, which may have properties that help prevent diabetes by reducing insulin resistance in the body. While more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans, it's certainly an exciting prospect for avocado lovers everywhere. So whether you're slicing them up for a quick snack or adding them to your favorite recipes, avocados are a versatile and nutritious choice for people with diabetes. So go ahead and indulge in some delicious guacamole and rest easy knowing that you're making a healthy choice for your body and your taste buds. Next on the list is nuts. Nuts are a fantastic addition to any diet. They're rich in fiber, low in net carbs, and come in a variety of different types to choose from. Whether you're a fan of almonds, pecans, or pistachios, there's a nut out there for everyone. Research has shown that consuming nuts regularly can have several health benefits for people with diabetes. Nuts have been found to lower inflammation and reduce HbA1c levels, which is a marker for long-term blood sugar management. They can also help improve LDL cholesterol levels and heart health. A study conducted with over 16,000 participants with type 2 diabetes found that eating tree nuts, such as walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, and pistachios, lowered their risk of heart disease and death. Nuts can also help regulate blood sugar levels. A study found that eating walnut oil daily improved blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. This is significant because people with type 2 diabetes often have elevated levels of insulin, which are linked to obesity. So, next time you're looking for a tasty and healthy snack, consider reaching for a handful of nuts. Also, after this video, be sure to check out our video on the 7 best healthiest nuts for better health. Up next, we have eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and provide a range of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D and choline. But did you know that regular egg consumption may also reduce your risk of heart disease in several ways? Studies have shown that eggs may help decrease inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and even increase your HDL, the good cholesterol levels. Plus, they can modify the size and shape of your LDL, the bad cholesterol, which can help improve your heart health. In fact, a 2019 study found that eating a high-fat, low-carb breakfast of eggs could help people with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels throughout the day. While older research suggested a link between egg consumption and heart disease in people with diabetes, a more recent review of controlled studies found that eating 6 to 12 eggs per week as part of a nutritious diet did not increase heart disease risk factors in people with diabetes. In fact, some research even suggests that eating eggs may reduce the risk of stroke. So, don't be afraid to add eggs to your breakfast routine. We've covered some of the most delicious and nutritious options out there, including fatty fish, avocados, nuts, and eggs. Remember, managing your diet is an important part of managing your diabetes. By incorporating these foods into your meals, you can help regulate your blood sugar, improve your heart health, and reduce inflammation. Of course, these are just a few of the many great options out there. Be sure to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized plan that works best for you and your specific needs. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Enjoy your day and see you on the next video.